All right, let's upgrade some light fixtures inside your house. First thing you're going to need is a non-contact voltage tester. This is so that you can tell whether the electricity is running through your light fixture or not. Very simple to use. You push the button and if it starts beeping like that, you have power. What you want to do is go turn your breaker off and then go back and test it again. And you can put it anywhere that there is electricity. So if the light fixture is already off, you can put it in the junction box or you can shove it up there where the light bulb goes. Next, you want to remove your light fixture. There's usually some small screws or pins that are holding it together. And once you remove it, you'll have typically 2 to 3 connections. Black on black is your hot, the white is the neutral, and the green, if there is one, is ground. I'm freezing the picture right there because that's what the wire connections look like once you remove that wire nut. They're just wrapped around each other. After you have removed the connections, you can either remove the brace that's up there or leave the old one depending on your light fixture. Sometimes they're circular, sometimes they're straight like this. However, you simply screw the new one back into the junction box where the old screws were. Very simple to do. Now, that green screw there, that's your ground. That's with that copper wire there. There was not one on the old light fixture. However, the new one came with one, so that was nice. And this is how you're going to put 2 wire connections together. Black on black, white on white. Simply stick them together right next to each other and then let the wire cap, the wire nut, do the rest of the job. Simply screwing it on and then feeling it tighten will give you a secure connection. Now you have to do it obviously at the light fixture. I was sitting down just giving you an example. However, this is what it looks like. And there's 2 wires in each because there is actually 2 bulbs with this light fixture. You wouldn't put hot and neutral with one or the other. You split them like this. Then simply once they're connected, shove everything back up into the junction box and fix your light fixture to the bracket. This one's just got some side screws here, but sometimes they've got some other sort of decorative way to hold on the light fixture to the bracket. Go back and turn your power on, and that's it. Very simple to do, folks. This can take 15-20 minutes. You don't need a whole lot of tools. Look forward to being a resource.